Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by using the exact full name you want to count, because small differences change the result. Once you have the name, map each letter to 9 using the repeating cycle. A equals 1 through I equals 9, then J equals 1, and so on. Make sure to write the mapped digits beneath each letter so you can see pairs and clusters. This quick mapping step sets the foundation. It prevents errors later, so double-check letters like U versus V before moving on. Now add the numeric values for each part of the name, first, middle, and last separately, because you may want both part totals and a combined total. Once you have a sum, reduce it by adding its digits together until you get a single digit 1 through 9. However, stop if the sum is 11 or 22 and you choose to treat them as master numbers. Make sure to record each intermediate sum so you can trace back any mistake without redoing the whole list. Finish by combining the reduced totals from each name part to form the overall name number, then reduce that combined total to a single digit unless you retain master numbers. Once done, verify your result. If something feels off, remap one letter at a time and check intermediate sums to find where an error occurred. Make sure to save the final number and jot a brief note about which reduction rule you used. That way future checks are fast and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.